Hello, and welcome to today's lesson where we discuss the factory system and the free enterprise economics. Today we'll be talking about how factories shifted American life during the 19th century and how free enterprise became the economic foundation for the United States. Let's go. The factory system was developed during the Industrial Revolution. It redid division of labor. Instead of working in small shops or at home, goods were made in factories. Factory goods are cheaper, they're easier to make, and they're mass produced, which means they're cheaper to buy as well. Factory production creates standardized goods, so everything's the same. Both of these pens, for example, are made in a factory, and they're exactly the same other than the ink color. However, it does change work conditions. Factories mean that people have to go to work instead of staying home. Factory owners are also employing unskilled labor. Each laborer performs the same task over and over all day. Women and children also start working, but they work in poor, dangerous conditions. The factory system creates a huge division between the working poor and the middle and upper classes. During the Industrial Revolution, factories are not regulated. The government doesn't have any rules for what a factory can and cannot do. The government's policy is called laissez-faire, or hands-off, and they let business owners basically just run the factories. The free enterprise system is the economic foundation, and it goes along with laissez-faire. It's based on the idea that the business owner will always do what is best for the consumer, and it doesn't really work out all the time. Free enterprise supporters believe that government regulations are bad for business. It's built on things like entrepreneurship. You have the right to start a business doing pretty much whatever. If people will buy it, it's okay. It's built on the idea of competition is good, and competition lowers the prices for the consumers. And so that's kind of a good thing under free enterprise. Private property. My business is my property. You don't get to take it away. Profit motive. I'm driven in my business to make as much money as I can. And consumer choice. You don't have to buy what I make. You can buy what my competition makes. And it's my job to keep getting better as a business owner. Let's wrap it up. During the Industrial Revolution, the factory system brought jobs under one roof. It employed women and children doing dangerous work for long hours. The government had a laissez-faire, or hands-off policy, so they were doing nothing to regulate the factories. The free enterprise system is the economic foundation of the country and allows for entrepreneurship, competition, private property, and profit motive and consumer choice in what to buy. Although we do have regulations on business today, the free enterprise system provides a foundation for modern economics in the United States.